In the last tutorial, we added council districts as an attribute to free meal location points across New York City. Let's say that this time, what I want to do is get a count of how many free meal locations there are in each council district. So I'll take a look at my council district layer. And all it has is the council districts and their shape lengths and shape areas, which I don't need. So I'm going to add the geocoded free meal locations again. I'll make sure that point coordinates is selected, longitude and latitude have been identified, and I will add and close the window. Now I have free meal locations loaded up again, but no council district attribute. So what I'm going to do is use a tool called points in polygon, and that's located in the vector analysis tools, count points in polygon. The polygon layer is going to be the city councils, and the points will be the free meal locations. I don't need anything for weight field or class field, and the count field name, I'm going to call it locations. And this will run and create a temporary layer, which is a new polygon shapefile, where if I open up the attribute table, you can see the council district and then the number of locations in each. So let's say I highlight District 8, which shows up as having 12 free meal locations. And I'm going to drag count below the free meal locations points so I can see what they look like. And if I zoom into that layer, I'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 locations in District 8. And that's how you can aggregate points within polygons by using the Count Points in Polygons tool. I could also export this and save features as, and I could create a CSV file which would have that table. Council districts with locations count. And now in my project folder, I'll have that CSV, which I could open up, and it's got those locations. I could also symbolize this on this map. I'm going to zoom back out to my count layer. And then I'll go to symbology. Graduated. I'll pick the value of locations with blues. I'll classify it and then apply. And now my map shows a gradient of how many free meal locations are located in each district. Note that these are not normalized. So this is the number of locations regardless of population of that council district, regardless of how many children there are, just the total number of locations. So you would need to assess whether you prefer to have this choropleth showing the total number, or if you prefer to show the points to look at the actual density on a map.